So this is the way you would use WeVideo to do a poem illustration. So when you open up WeVideo, you get this. You're going to click on Create New. I just happen to have one started, so I'm going to open this. First thing you're going to want to do is click over here and put a title in. I would put the title of the poem in and your name, but just for this example, I'm going to put poem illustration. Okay, so just a quick overview on what it looks like. Okay, so down here is the tracks that you use to work in. Most of the time you're going to be working in video 2. You use video track 1 if you have a background image of some kind, and if you're working in a green screen, and audio is obviously something that you hear. So this is kind of like your preview screen over here, and then this is basically all the stuff that you can use to build your track down here. So the headings are your stock media, my media, that's your personalized media page, where you've added your images and your videos, and any audio clips. Text is obviously words on a page. You would want to have a title. You could have multiple titles. I'll show you that in a second. Audio is obviously sounds that they give you free music if you wanted to have like a song playing in the background. They have sound effects, lots of different ones. That's pretty cool. Transitions are things you would use in between images. So as an image goes from one to the other, it can, like for example, zoom or dissolve, something like that. And background, again, is if you need a background to a picture. Sometimes your pictures don't take up the whole screen, so you've got like picture in only part of the screen, and then you put a background in. So let me go back to the text. Okay, since we're starting off our poem thing, we would want to tell people what poem they're going to be reading. So you've got a bunch of different styles of titles that you can use. You've got ones that are in motion, they move. Here you go. You've got ones that stay still. You've got ones that are pre-formatted, and you've got ones that look like this. So let's go to a motion one. I like this one for a poem. You could actually type your poem title in here. All right. If you like any of these, all you do is drag and drop down. And you can change the length of it by just dragging and dropping here. So 20 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever it is. Let's just make it whatever it is here. To edit any kind of image clip, you double click on it and you can change everything in it basically. The size, the font style. Okay, my poem is actually called Weary Eyes. And I don't remember the title, the author, I mean, so we'll just keep whatever's there. Okay, so you hit Save Changes. Okay, so when you are doing your poem, you have had to record your poem. So you want to have the voiceover be you reading the poem. So I have done that already, and I emailed it to myself. So here I use my voice memo. Okay. So you're just going to make sure you download that and make sure you know where it is. So you're just going to bring it into your WeVideo. Okay. So WeVideo, go to My Media, and you're going to import. You're going to find the audio file that you just dropped in. Click on it, open. It's going to bring it right in. Then you drag it and drop it down into the audio track. Okay. And it's a short clip. It's a short poem. So there's a lot of different images in that poem, which is why I picked it. So I am going to need to work with all of these little things here. So as I'm saying something like stars, I'm going to want to add a picture of stars where I'm saying the word stars. but this is so compact, so I can't really see where it is I'm saying stars, so I want to make this bigger. And then I can move my playhead to wherever it is I think I might be saying stars. Let's see. Okay, so I say stars right around here. Let's see. Further back. Okay, so approximately there, we can always, tighten it up. Now, if I wanted to add a picture of stars where I say stars, then I would go to stock media, or again, if I've taken a picture of the stars and imported it, then I would just go to my media. Type in what you want to find, stars. They give you the option of videos, images, and different audio. So I'm going to put in an image. Okay, stars on the dark, sounds good. Drop it where I need it to be, and then I'm going to edit the length of that because it's going to be much too long. The word stars was like a nanosecond. It happens really quickly, so just edit it down. All right. Use this to drag yourself over. Let's see how long. All right. That's not so bad. Again, you can play with the length if you need to. All right, so that's basically what you do. And again, if you wanted to add video, you would just drag and drop it down here too. Now, editing images and videos, you have a little more leeway and flexibility, but you do it the same thing, same way. You double click on this, and there's all kinds of different things you can do. You can flip, okay, you can go over here. You can have animations where your picture starts small and ends big, or vice versa, which is kind of neat. You can change what the picture looks like. Okay, do all kinds of different things here. Okay, and then this color keying is really used when you're doing a green screen, so you're probably not going to use that very much. Just save your changes. Take a look, see if you want to look in a bigger screen. Okay. Okay, so that's the basic idea behind doing that. And when you're done, you want to hit finish. Okay, you will be exporting this. You can do an HD or SD. Sometimes you have to pay for HD, but not in this instance. You save it to your Google Drive, or if you have a YouTube channel. But you have to remember to mark it as public if you want other people to be able to see it. Okay, so and then you just hit export, and you'll find it in your drive. Okay, it's going to look like this, something like this. WeVideo. Okay, it's going to have this little icon. All right, and then you would just open it. Here's my other sample video. So there you are. And again, good luck. Have fun. I can't wait to see what you come up with.